What if the best cup you've ever had wasn't luck, but physics you can repeat? Every drop tells a story of force, heat, and tiny particles in motion. Today, we'll make that story visible. Welcome to the hidden physics behind a perfect coffee extraction. Simple ideas, practical tweaks, delicious results. Let's pull the variables into harmony. 3 pillars shape extraction: pressure, temperature, and particle size. Master these, and you control flavor, balance, and clarity in every brew. Pressure is controlled force pushing water through a resistant coffee bed. Uniform force helps dissolve flavorful compounds efficiently. A flat, well-compacted puck resists evenly, guiding water through all grounds. Uneven force creates weak paths called channeling. Some grounds over-extract, others under-extract. The result can be bitterness, astringency, and thin body. Aim for a cohesive, centered stream, evidence of even resistance. Fix 1. Distribute before tamping to remove voids. Fix 2. Tamp level with consistent pressure. Firm, not excessive. Fix 3. A steady pump profile. Pre-infusion then stable pressure. Prevents early channeling. For pour-over, consistent pour height and flow act as your pressure control. Small habits compound, even inputs, even extraction. Temperature controls how fast flavors dissolve and how aromas bloom. Aim for roughly 92 to 96 degrees Celsius for most methods. Too hot extracts harsh, bitter compounds quickly. Too cool leaves sweetness behind. The bloom releases trapped CO2, making space for water to contact fresh surfaces. Stability matters. A steady temperature keeps extraction balanced through the brew. Espresso is sensitive. Small heat swings change viscosity, flow, and taste. Preheat your brewer and cup to avoid heat loss at the start. After boiling, wait 30 to 60 seconds to reach the sweet spot. Keep the slurry moving gently. It evens out heat and extraction. Grind size sets surface area and resistance, the backbone of extraction rate. Finer grinds expose more area and slow the flow. Coarser does the opposite. Uniformity counts. Mixed sizes extract unevenly, bitter and sour at once. Coarse, fast flow, lighter body, risk of under-extraction. Fine, slow flow, heavier body, pushes toward over-extraction if too slow. Declump to improve uniformity. Clumps act like pebbles, creating channels. Adjust in small steps. Watch shot time or brew time to confirm flow changes. Taste both ends. Choose the grind that balances sweetness, acidity, and clarity. Maintain your grinder. Clean burrs and purge to keep particle size consistent. Great coffee happens when pressure, temperature, and grind play in tune. Each variable changes the others. Balance them. Don't chase one alone. 3 quick experiments. 1. Measure water temp. Brew at 92 and 96. Compare aroma and bite. 2. Try 2 grind settings. Aim for steady flow and balanced taste. 3. Keep tamp pressure consistent. Focus on level and puck prep first. Your best cup is repeatable. Understand the variables and you own the result. Try these tweaks, taste the difference, and subscribe for more deep dives. Happy brewing.